Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix syncing issues on Telegram. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to try to do is force close your application and reopen it. Also, try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data and make sure that VPN is always turned off. Also, try to turn on and turn off your airplane mode just to give it that quick little refresh. The other thing you want to do is simply resync your contacts. In order to do that, simply go ahead and open your Telegram app, go to settings, and this is where you want to look for privacy and security. Once you've done that, you want to simply go down and then you want to go into your data settings. And as you can see, there's sync contacts. Make sure you turn it off and turn it back on just to give it that quick little refresh. If that also doesn't work, then you can simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your Telegram app. Head into settings, tap on general, and go all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and reset network settings. This should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.